V9110 automatic tire changer. Pneumatic lifting device, easy to lift the tire. Tilt back arm design, provides more operating space. Aluminum shell copper wire motor, efficient drive, endurance property. Universal tire press shovel, multi-angle adjustment, suitable for separation of different sizes of tires. Multifunctional auxiliary arm assembly, rotary design. Pneumatic locking of rotation angle. Tire press arm assembly supports 180 degrees directional flip. Locking limit by cylinder. Fine grinding auxiliary arm and stand column. Ensure smooth vertical lift the tire. The tire press arm adopts cylinder locking limit. With the tire stripping disc transverse telescopic action. Use the roller to assist the movement of push and pull arm. Easy and labor-saving operation. The removable duck head hexagon rod adopts vertical lifting auxiliary cylinder. Easy to operate with one hand. Configure automatic duck head. Easily handle the disassembly of various flat tires and explosion-proof tires. Vertical lifting cylinder. Independently control the tire press rod. Lifting the tire by pneumatic lifting device. Align the hub screw hole with the center shaft positioning pin. Insert the locking rod into the center shaft hole. Rotate clockwise to adjust the positioning angle. Use tools to lock the main nut. Put the auxiliary arm to its place. Adjust the tire press arm to right position. Make sure the tire stripping disc is about 10 mm from the outer edge of the hub. Lock the tire press arm. Press the upper tread of tab by tire press arm. When the tire stripping disc is lower than the upper plane of the hub, control tire stripping disc protruding. Keep pressing down on the tread. Control the tire to rotate clockwise until the tread is completely separated from the hub. Apply the lubricant evenly to the lip of tire. Raise the tire press arm and manually rotate the auxiliary arm assembly to keep away from the tire. Unlock tire press arm assembly. Flip down 180 degrees. Put the auxiliary arm assembly to its place and lock it. Operate the tire press arm to lift the lower tire tread upward. When the tire stripping disc is above the lower plane of the hub, control tire stripping disc protruding. Continue to lift the tread up. Control the tire to rotate clockwise until the tread is completely separated from the hub. Apply the lubricant evenly to the lip of tire. Lower the tire press arm. Manually rotate the auxiliary arm assembly to keep away from the tire. Unlock tire press arm assembly. Flip up 180 degrees. Put the auxiliary arm assembly to its place and lock it. Press the foot pedal and make the tilt back arm to its place. Press the upper tread of the tire by press arm. Adjust the automatic duck head to the right position. Make sure the front and tail of the duck head are about 3 mm away from the wheel hub. Set the automatic duck head hook completely. Lift the press arm to release the upper tread. Operate the duck head to turn the tire lip upwards. Unlock tire press arm assembly. Flip down 180 degrees. Put the auxiliary arm assembly to its place and lock it. Lift up the lower tread of the tire by the press arm to release tension in the upper tread of the tire. Insert the plastic crowbar into the gap between the tire lip and the hub. Operate the tire to rotate clockwise until the upper tread of the tire is completely separated from the hub. Extend the automatic duck head hook completely. Lift the lower tread of the tire up with the tire press arm until the duck head hook catches the lower tread of the tire. Insert the plastic crowbar into the gap between the tire lip and the hub. Operate the tire to rotate clockwise until the lower tread of tire is completely separated from the hub. Press the foot pedal and make the tilt back arm to its place. Lift the lower tread of the tire up with the press arm. Make the tire stripping disc higher than the upper plane of the hub. Control tire stripping disc extends laterally. Operate the tire to rotate clockwise until the lower tread of tire is completely separated from the hub. Apply lubricant evenly to the inner and outer lip of the tire. Press the foot pedal and make the tilt back arm to its place. Place the lower tread of tire on the upper plane of the duck head. Press the tire to the right side as slant to lower than the front plane of duck head. Operate the tire to rotate clockwise until the lower tread of tire is fully loaded into the hub. Manually rotate the auxiliary arm assembly to its place. Press the upper tread of the tire. Make it lower than the inner side of wheel hub. Press the upper tread of the tire by the left auxiliary arm. Keep its height below the inner side of the wheel hub at all times. Operate the tire to rotate clockwise until the upper tread of the tire is fully loaded into the hub. When the tire is inflated, the air pressure shall not exceed 3.5 bar. Remove the central shaft locking screw. Take off the tire. Disassembly operation completed.